Hello, ako po si Madam P at ito yung reading natin for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magra-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko makuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. Pero okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. If you want, pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Madam P. If you're willing to wait lang, guys, kasi marami tayong nagpapa-reading na nagpapa-sketch sa akin. So, if you're willing to wait, doon po kayo mag-inquire sa aming Facebook page, Madam P. Yan, may mga admin ako na mag-a-assist sa inyo. Let's start what we have here for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Two of Cups is here. Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. So, sa nakikita natin dito, I feel like meron ditong connection na parang mas ginagamit mo ngayon yung utak mo. Yung iba sa inyo might be you are in a relationship and Queen of Swords tsaka King of Swords is nandito eh. Ay, okay. Yung iba, this could be a twin flame or soulmate connection, pero mas pinipili mong magkaroon ng katahimikan ngayon pagdating sa connection dahil might be you're moving on. Dahil maaaring makakasama yung connection ninyo or para sa ikakatahimik ng lahat. So, mas pinipili mong lumayo or umiwas. Maybe there's another person which is a twin flame or soulmate connection. Nakikita natin yan with the Queen of Swords. So, sino ba itong person na kukonect mo pagdating sa love? Yung iba sa inyo, might be you are already in a relationship. Tapos, hindi na kasi makakatulong yung connection mo with that person eh. Kumbaga, magiging gulo lang. So, you do have here the Hierophant and the Six of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The Hierophant is here. So, meron kang mga bagay na hindi sinasabi dito sa person na to with the Five of Swords. The Five of Swords and the Five of Wands. So, dalawang five ito. This person, nakikita natin yung support niya sa'yo. With a Hierophant. If this is a soulmate or twin flame connection, I feel like nakalagpas na siya doon sa mga learnings, sa karma or karmic na pangyayari sa buhay niya. Parang may mga lesson na siyang natutunan doon. And gusto niya ng healthy connection. Malalaman mong this person is your soulmate or your twin flame kung hindi narcissist yung energy ha. Kasi this is a past person, past connection energy. At malalaman mong like twin flame or soulmate mo siya, lalo na kung nagkakaroon ka ng growth. Financially kasama. So, pwedeng during the time ba na magka-connect kayo, mas lalong nagiging maganda yung influence niya sa'yo. Nagkakaroon ka ng growth financially. Nagkakaroon ka ng mga like opportunities for you na mas nag-grow yung finances mo through the help of this person. Kahit hindi ka masyadong magpagod or maghirap. So that's one of the sign na nandun ka sa tamang tao. Anyway, emotions. You do have here the Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, the Magician, and the Lovers. Haramdam pala ako nung, I don't know kung naglilinis ka ba habang nagre-reading ako or habang nakikinig. Ay, may mga ginagawa kang something na malikabok. This could be a reading. The Hanged Man, the Strength card, Ace of Wands, and Ten of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Major Arcana, the Strength card, and the Hanged Man. I feel like yung emotions mo for this person, nandun yung, alam mo kung anong niya, equality niya. You know, I feel like, alam mo yung, this person is special. But with the Magician, parang, alam mo yun, parang kailangan mo kasing gumising sa realidad about the connection. Lalo na kung ikaw ay nasa isang another relationship na. So, parang kailangan mong i-accept kung ano yung meron na sa'yo ngayon. Although, okay, na gusto mo siya, o iba sa inyo, you love the person. But, let's just parang face the fact na you are already in a relationship. So, yun yung ginagawa mo dito. And yung person na kakonect mo with the Ace of Wands, Strength card, the Hanged Man, and the Ten of Pentacles energy. Nandun yung waiting energy niya. Naghihintay siya with the Ace of Wands na maybe there's another chance or time sa inyong dalawa. The Ten of Pentacles, financially, I feel like yung person that is prepared financially is okay. Like sabi ko nga, pwedeng isa siya sa nakakatulong financially sa'yo. Maybe in the past. And, I feel like siya yung person na nagmamatch ng energy mo. Para, ano yung energy ninyo parang nagko-complement sa isa't isa. Okay, so, what's in the near future for the both of you? You'd offer the Page of Wands in the near future. Page of Pentacles in the near future, please. Spirit guides, angel guides in the near future. The Death card is here. Okay, in the near future. Okay, ayan, tatlong card yung lumabas. The Emperor is here, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries energy. With the Page of Wands, Page of Pentacles, at saka Death card. In the future, I feel like some kind of ending ang pwedeng mangyari na may kinalaman sa child or children, lalo na yung iba sa inyo kung may anak ka na, something is going to end na may kinalaman sa child. Yung person na to, I'm feeling like may mga bagay talaga siyang gustong sabihin sa'yo. And nakikita natin yung pagre-reach out. Actually, dito sa connection na to, it depends Nasa sayo yung ikaw ang may hawak sa kung ano ang patutunguhan ng connection ninyo. Especially, nakuha natin yung energy that you are the one who is like may another connection na involved. And of course, nandun yung parang pag-iisip na alin ba dapat dito sa dalawang to. But you have no choice but to face the reality sa connection. The Emperor, hindi naman siya para ipilit niya yung sarili niya sa'yo. Of course, nandun yung parang kaya naman niya yung sarili niya. Kaya ko naman kahit wala ka. Parang ganun. Gusto niya mag-reach out, pero ayaw niya makagulo. So, nakita tayo dito ng pag-reach out, but I feel like pwedeng sa ibang paraan. Maybe, for example, pag gusto niyang makabalita ng may kinalaman sa'yo, maybe mag-check siya ng profile mo. If not possible, kasi may block or pambablock na naganap, maybe gagamit siya ng ibang account to do that. Checking on you na kahit alam niyang impossible, gagawin niya yon. And the Queen of Cups is here. I see a lot of love and spiritual connection, the High Priestess sa inyong dalawa. And you do have the Justice card. So, nakikita natin yung mas more on kasi nga yung realidad yung tinitignan dito. And nakikita natin yung pagka-miss ninyo sa isa't isa with the Three of Wands. And, of course, it's up to you. It's up to you kung ano yung tingin mo or anong dapat mong gawin dito. But I feel like parang napipilitan ka lang ituloy yung buhay mo ngayon with regards sa relationship na meron ka kasi parang no choice Ayan ay nasa harapan mo. Okay, so that's it for now. Nakikita rin natin you're scared, you're takot about whatever will be the consequences of this if ever. Diba? Parang takot ka rin sa maybe sa karma na tinatawag. And that's why you're as much as possible ginagawa mo yung alam mong tama and dapat. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all guys and bye-bye.